Ever get stuck giving out your personal cell phone number to clients? It's unprofessional, feels like a privacy invasion, and let's be honest, who wants work calls interrupting your evenings? There's a better way. A way to maintain a professional presence with a dedicated business number, all while keeping your personal life separate. Intrigued? Well, this is where virtual phone systems come in. Today, we're diving deep into Grasshopper, a popular option for small businesses and entrepreneurs. But before we explore its features, the biggest question you probably have is, how much does Grasshopper cost? That's exactly what we'll be tackling in this video. We'll break down Grasshopper's pricing plans, what each offers, and help you decide if it fits your budget and business needs. So, ditch the phone number scramble and get ready to answer calls like a pro. Grasshopper. A breakdown of the plans. Grasshopper offers 3 main pricing tiers, cleverly named Solo, Partner, and Small Business. Let's dissect each one to see what features you get for your buck. Number 1. Solo, the starter pack for 1. Coming in at a budget-friendly $14 per month when billed annually. The Solo plan is ideal for solopreneurs or small side gigs. You get 1 phone number, which is perfect if you're the only one answering calls. It also includes 3 extensions, which are virtual numbers that can be assigned to different team members, think departments or voicemail greetings. Here's the beauty. Solo boasts unlimited users. So even if you have a small team occasionally helping out, they can still receive calls through the system. This plan also throws in unlimited domestic calling and texting to the US and Canada, a welcome bonus for staying connected with clients. However, there are limitations. You can only receive faxes as PDFs, and sending faxes isn't included. Additionally, some features like a live receptionist, think a real person answering calls, come as an extra cost. Number 2. Partner. Gearing up for a small team. If you're a growing team of 2 to 4 people, the partner plan might be your sweet spot. Priced at $46 per month, billed annually. It offers everything in the Solo plan, but with some key upgrades. First, you get a whopping 32 phone numbers. This allows you to create dedicated lines for different departments or even set up a local number in a specific geographic area to attract clients there. Plus, the extension limit jumps to 6, giving you more flexibility for assigning virtual numbers within your team. The partner plan also removes the fax limitation. You can receive and send faxes directly through the Grasshopper system, keeping communication streamlined. Number 3. Small Business. Scalable solution for growing teams. The aptly named Small Business Plan is Grasshopper's most comprehensive offering, priced at $80 per month, billed annually. This plan caters to businesses with more than 4 team members and offers everything from the partner plan, with a few extras. The biggest perk? Unlimited extensions. This means you can assign virtual numbers to your entire team without worrying about hitting a limit. Additionally, the small business plan includes some advanced features like a call queue, which allows callers to wait in a virtual line if all lines are busy. So, which plan is right for you? Choosing the right Grasshopper plan depends on your business size and needs. Here's a quick guide. Solopreneur or small side gig. Solo is your budget-friendly option. Small team of 2 to 4? Partner offers more phone numbers and sending/receiving faxes. Growing team with over 4 members? Small business provides unlimited extensions and advanced features. Beyond the price tag. Additional considerations. Remember, price isn't the only factor. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. International calling. Grasshopper charges per minute for international calls, so factor that into your budget if you have overseas clients. Advanced features. Features like a professionally recorded greeting or a live receptionist come at an extra cost. Contract length. Both monthly and annual billing options are available. Annual billing typically offers a discount. Grasshopper offers a solid virtual phone system solution with plans to suit various business needs. From the budget-conscious solo to the feature-rich small business, there's an option to keep your team connected and your clients impressed. By considering your team size, calling needs, and desired features, you can choose the Grasshopper plan that keeps your business phone system ringing for the right reasons. Ultimately, whether Grasshopper is worth the cost depends on your specific situation. But here's the good news. They offer a free 7-day trial, so you can take it for a spin and see if it fits your workflow.